Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have an accessory case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it comes to us from Samsung. This is the flip cover with the pen accessory for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the flip cover case with the included S Pen for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Nice and simple case. I did actually get this for free when I actually pre-ordered my Z Fold 3. So you guys can pause that if you guys can't see it. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open. I'm not going to make this video super long. I know you guys are curious to see how it fits, how does it feel, what's my thoughts about this type of case. I actually could have got the Buds 2 and I could have opened it from here, by the way. Oh well. Alright, so but I chose to go with the case because I definitely want to review a lot of cases for this phone on the channel. I'm gonna let you guys know how it feels, what is it compared to, and here is the S Pen that it comes with. You guys let me know what you guys think compared to the actual phone itself. Where's the phone? All right, so here's the phone compared to the regular S Pen. They do have a pro version of this pen, but I'm not entirely sure will I actually be using this. This one actually works with the Fold 3 just fine. All right, so you do have some included S Pen tips, and you have the S Pen tip remover as well. And you have a manual guide of how to install the case and where to put it in. So let's just pop this out so you guys can see it. Maybe I could learn something from it as well. Alright, so it seems like it's a whole bunch of different languages here. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Alright, so let's move on to the case itself. My first impressions of the case. Now, it does feel a little bit cheap, but the outside of this, it does have that leather type feel to it, so it's not like a plasticky feel. Definitely feeling it so far. Alright, so I guess you just put the S Pen inside this placement right here. I wonder will it come out. Alright, do a little shake test here. Let's see if you put it the other way. Alright, doesn't come out. Alright, so it's not a bad case. We do have the Samsung logo right here, so let's just pop this baby in. I did actually just unbox the phone, so it's pretty fresh. Alright, so it does actually turn off the screen and you do that, which is good. And it does have the cutout there, so you can be on a call. That's how it looks on the bottom. You guys let me know. You do have the cutout there. Let's see how it looks for the front. Here's how it looks. Will it fall down? Yes, it will. Alright, let's see if you can stand it up somehow. Alright, so that's definitely not an option. You could try to do it, but I'll definitely be careful. Alright, you close it up just like so, and you can take out your S Pen. See if I can set this up while I'm doing this here. Alright, so you might have to click this button. Maybe it has to be fully set up and then I could use it, but or we could try on the big screen and see. Nope, there you go. See, working perfectly. Now it's a little bit too bright. Let's see if we can turn on that brightness. Okay, so the brightness is not going to work since it's not set up completely. But you know what? I'm definitely going to recommend the case. Let's check out the lip action for the camera. Very, very minimal. Let's see if you have any lip action for the front. You definitely don't. Let's see if you have it at least over here somewhere. Very, very small. And it's only for one side. So you have protection just for one side of the device. And you don't have a pocket in there. That definitely would have been cool to have another pocket. Let's see if it stays. That's one problem, is that I definitely would have like a magnet, so it doesn't do that. Let's see if there's a way to stand this up somehow. So you can do it this way, you know what I'm saying, halfway. But that's about it for the case, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think. Oh, look at that screen protector already picking up bubbles. That's not gonna be good. You do have the open cutout here, so you could feel the button, so you don't have to worry about the clickiness of it. But you do have the access to your SIM slot, no problem. And that's about it for the video, guys. So if you guys want to pick up this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.